Lovelies, welcome to my channel. Imagine waking up every morning with a beautifully glowing face, as if you've just stepped out of a spa. Achieving radiant and healthy skin is a desire many of us share. Fortunately, you don't need a cabinet full of expensive products or complicated beauty treatments to make this dream a reality. Instead, you can harness the power of natural ingredients to create a simple and effective nighttime skincare routine that will leave you with a radiant complexion. In this video, we will explore the benefits of a DIY skincare mixture that you can apply before bedtime to wake up with a glowing face. The importance of nighttime skincare. Before delving into the specifics of our magical mixture, it's crucial to understand why nighttime skincare is essential for achieving a beautiful and glowing complexion. During the night, your skin undergoes a process of repair and regeneration. While you sleep, your body works tirelessly to heal and rejuvenate your skin cells, making it the perfect time to nourish your skin with the right ingredients. The power of natural ingredients. One of the secrets to unlocking a glowing complexion is the use of natural ingredients. Many store-bought skincare products contain chemicals and additives that can be harsh on the skin. Instead, opting for natural ingredients can be gentler and more effective in the long run. The magical mixture for face. Now, let's unveil the star of the show, the magical mixture that will transform your nighttime skincare routine. This blend of natural ingredients is easy to make and highly effective at promoting radiant skin. Recipe and preparation, a step-by-step guide to preparing the magical mixture. Explanation of each ingredient's role in skincare. Where to source the ingredients for your concoction. How to apply the mixture. To maximize the benefits of the magical mixture, it's essential to know how to apply it correctly. We'll provide a detailed guide on incorporating this blend into your nighttime skincare routine for optimal results. Preparing your skin, the importance of cleansing and toning before application. Exfoliation and its role in enhancing the mixture's efficacy. The science behind the glow. To truly appreciate the transformative power of the magical mixture, it's essential to understand the science behind it. We'll delve into the mechanisms through which each ingredient contributes to a glowing complexion. The role of honey, honey's humectant properties and how they lock in moisture. Antioxidants in honey that combat free radicals. Healing and anti-inflammatory effects on the skin. Aloe Vera's soothing effects. Aloe Vera's role in calming irritated skin, moisturizing and hydrating properties of aloe vera. How aloe vera aids in skin cell regeneration. Rosehip oil for skin renewal. Rosehip oil's high vitamin C content and collagen production. Antioxidants in rosehip oil that fight signs of aging. How it helps to reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. Lavender essential oil for relaxation and skin health. Lavender's calming effects on the mind and body. Its role in promoting restful sleep, a critical component of healthy skin. The soothing and anti-inflammatory properties of lavender essential oil. Additional tips for glowing skin. In addition to the magical mixture, there are several other lifestyle and skincare practices that can enhance your skin's radiance. We'll provide a comprehensive list of tips and tricks to complement your nighttime routine. 1. Diet and nutrition. Foods that promote healthy skin from the inside out. The importance of staying hydrated for glowing skin. 2. Adequate sleep and stress management, the link between sleep quality and skin health. Stress reduction techniques for a more radiant complexion. 3. Sun protection. The role of sunscreen in preventing skin damage and premature aging. 4. Regular exercise. How physical activity can boost circulation and promote a healthy complexion. Conclusion: achieving a beautiful and glowing face is not a distant dream but an attainable reality. By embracing a nighttime skincare routine that harnesses the power of natural ingredients, you can wake up each morning with skin that radiates health and vitality.
If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.